Hi, my name is Mansi. I'm a BBA student studying at ICFI Business School. I joined Lemnoids as part of my second summer internship program in the domain of digital marketing. So at the start of the internship, we learned basics of digital marketing, like what is digital transformation, what are websites, the types of websites. We have also analyzed websites. We have learned how to create and design websites, how to add content, logos, images. We have found various technologies used to develop websites like HTML, WordPress, CSS. This internship has helped me in improving my research and content writing skills. We have created content for Vanita Hospitals, Bolsys, Rock Engineering, Graphic Dynamics, etc. We have focused on submitting directories and social media bookmarks to help rank websites. And lastly, we used Canva tool to create and develop Instagram posters for software techs. Thank you.